Well, it's time for food. Come on, Gina. Here's liver. Oh, look at her happy tails. She loves eating liver. It's her favorite. Look at her, how she's eating. She's so excited actually. Well, come. Tom loves liquid. I'll give to Bhola also one. And for Mary. Mary. Okay. This is a gizzard actually, not liver. I hope Tina will be eating that also. She eats everything nowadays. Everything. Liver, gizzard, then bones and liquid, all. What about her? Come. I'm sitting. Oh, she didn't eat that gizzard actually. Have it. And what happened to you, Tina? You don't like this? Actually, the gizzard is little bit, sticky. So it's a little bit difficult to eat, to chew properly. Okay, if you can't eat, take this one. This liver, and as liver is very soft, so she can eat properly. Bhola, come. I'll give that gizzard to Bhola. He will eat properly. Oh, Mary is sharing her food today. That's amazing. Can I want more? This is the neck. She loves eating neck also. Guys, over here. Have. You don't want this neck? She's seeing properly. Bhola is eaten all. Bhola, come. Some left. Actually, a bit. Tina has eaten the neck. Absolutely. Tina is not interested to eat more. She has eaten a lot. Mary is eating. Tina, how's your stomach show? Oh, she has eaten a lot. Look at her stomach. Now she'll sleep, yeah? I'll take rest. Okay guys, keep eating. Bye bye.